Okay, a piece of Brazilian pepper, Burl on one side of it. You can kind of see the lump. I split it a little more than halfway through is retained here. In other words, the pith is included. And then, because the back of it is not perfectly flat, I mounted a piece of plywood onto it that I then hooked my faceplate to. And that way I could grip it without risk of it coming off. I decided basically I'm not going to do anything other than make a dish here. The rest will remain square like the corners are now, and the bottom is going to be like it is. Right now my hope is that I don't touch the bark at all since it's pretty tight. This is Brazilian pepper. I definitely wear a mask and face shield when I'm using this stuff because some people are allergic to Brazilian pepper. It has a little bit of the same stuff that's in poison ivy that make you itchy. I've not had any issues. I think it's mostly in the leaves and the sap, and this is relatively dry. I did cut it down, I don't know, it's been 2-3 months ago. So it's been sitting. And I've done some other stuff and I've not had any reaction to it. So in any case, that's what I'm going to try and do.